Hello everyone, I'm Subui from Alamkul. So we were studying about trigonometry. Okay, so in my last class, you must have seen about trigonometry, that what is trigonometry and what are trigonometric ratios. Okay, the main trigonometric ratio. So there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, so we have already seen, and what is the value of all the 6 trigonometric ratios? So let's quickly revise. That is sine A, okay, cos A, tan A, sec A, cosec A, and cot A. Okay, we have discussed what are this sine A, what does it mean, sine of angle A. Okay, similarly for all the trigonometric ratios, and what is the value of sine A. Okay, we have discussed the formula that sine A is equal to perpendicular upon hypo, and cos A is equal to perpendicular, base upon hypo. What is perpendicular, what is base, depending on the angle, the base and perpendicular shifts. Okay, so I think if you have not watched the video, go and watch that, because it's very basic, and that basic should be very clear in your mind. Okay, because if you don't know what is perpendicular, what is base, then you'll not be able to solve the trigonometric problem. Okay, so let's quickly start our today's class, that is relation between trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what are the different relations that we can find between trigonometric ratios? So here today we are going to discuss two types of relation between the trigonometric ratios, that is reciprocal relation. Okay, reciprocal relation and quotient relation. Okay, so first we will see what is a reciprocal relation. Okay, so reciprocal relation is, first relation that I'm going to write here is sine A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. Okay, this is the first relation. Okay, sine A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. Now similarly there are three reciprocal relation, that is sine is equal, obviously sine A is equal to cosec A, so reverse is also vice versa, that is cosec A is equal to 1 upon sine A, and cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A, and similarly sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. Okay, third one is tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A, and similarly cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Okay, so this is the reciprocal relationship. Okay, but if you remember this first three, so you already know the other, they are vice versa. Okay, that is sine A is equal to 1 upon cosec A, cos A is equal to 1 upon sec A, tan is equal to 1 upon cot A. Okay, now with the now how it is done, just to have a quick explanation of this. Okay, so we are having a triangle, because Pythagoras in a right angle triangle we apply trigonometry. So A, B, C. Okay, now I am going to take angle A. So since I'm taking angle A, so I know means I've already discussed that which will be the perpendicular, the side opposite to it. Correct. So that is, this is the perpendicular. This will be the base, the side along with it. Okay, and then this will be the hypotenuse. Okay, now sine A. If you are going to take sine A, then what will be the value of sine A? Sine A is perpendicular upon hypo, E upon H. Okay. Yes, perpendicular upon hypo. So how can we can write, that is BC upon AC. Okay. Now what you can do, we are going to divide both the side with BC. So if we are going to divide BC upon BC, AC upon BC, so this will give you, the above one give you 1, and AC upon BC. So what is AC upon BC? AC will be hypotenuse, and BC will be perpendicular. So hypo upon perpendicular is equal to cosec A. So you can see this is the proof. Okay, so sine A, how sine A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. Similarly for all the other trigonometric ratio. Okay, that is for cosec A, tan A. Okay, now just quickly one I'll see with tan A also. Okay, so and sine A you are going to apply, cos A you are going to apply for yourself once you check it. Okay, it will be just same as sine and tan. Okay, so sine A is equal to what? Perpendicular upon base. Okay, so what is perpendicular? It is BC upon AB. Okay, now we can divide with up and down both with BC, BC upon BC, AB upon BC. Okay, so what we will get? 1 upon AB upon BC. What is AB upon BC? AB is base upon perpendicular. So base upon perpendicular is what? That is cot A. Okay, so here is the proof also, that how these relationship exist. Okay, understood? I hope you have understood. Now let's see the another relation, that is quotient relation. Okay, so here, and yeah, since just let me tell you, since the sine A is equal to 1 upon cosec A, reciprocal relation. So if you are going to write sine A multiplied by cosec A, so you are going to get 1. Yeah, why? Just see here that sine A and cosec A can be written in 1 upon sine A. Sine A. Okay, so both will be cancelled and you will get 1. Similarly, cos A multiplied by sec A will give you 1, and tan A multiplied by cot A will give you 1. Okay, so remember this, okay? Because when you're solving the problem based on your trigonometry, these formulas are going to work there. Okay, now there are two quotient relationship. What are they? Let's see. One is tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A. Okay, and cot A, similarly, cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. Same triangle thing you will see here, the triangle that I've drawn here. Okay, same triangle you can imagine here, and we are going to see. So, what is the value of tan A? Tan A will be perpendicular upon base. Okay, so according to perpendicular upon base, it will be BC upon AB. Okay, so in both you can divide it by AC. Now, BC is your base and AC is your hypotenuse. So base upon BC is your perpendicular, na? BC is your perpendicular. Let me draw again. A, B, C. Okay, so it is perpendicular, it is base, it is hypotenuse. Okay, so BC upon AC will give you, BC is your perpendicular, AC is your hypotenuse, it will give you sin A upon cos A. Okay, same thing is with the cot A. Okay, cos A upon sin A, so cos A will be equal to what? Cos A will be, cot A. Let me write with cot A. Cot A is equal to base upon perpendicular, so it is AB upon BC, and you can divide both by AC. AC means it will become upon cos A upon sin A. Okay, so I hope the relationship between the trigonometric ratios are very clear. Okay, so the main relationship is that sine is the reciprocal of cosec, cot is a cos is reciprocal relationship with sec, and tan is reciprocal relationship with cot. Okay, and tan A is equal to sine upon cos, cot A is equal to cos upon sine, cos A upon sine A. Okay, so which type of numerical you can, which type of problems you can get based on this trigonometric ratio relationship. Okay, we are going to see that in our next video. Okay, so don't forget to watch that. Okay, because that are going to help you for solving many more problems. Okay, till then, bye bye. Don't forget to watch my next video, and if you have not watched my previous, go and watch them also. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.